Hey, crypto enthusiasts! Did you hear about the recent Bybit hack? Yes, even one of the biggest crypto exchanges fell victim to cybercriminals, with hackers stealing over $1.4 billion worth of crypto. This just goes to show that storing your crypto on exchanges can be risky, especially when hacks like these happen. But don't worry, I'm here to help you keep your cryptos safe. Welcome back to Crypto Chronicles. Today, we're diving into how you can protect your crypto and keep it secure from hacks and scams. So, let's get into it. First things first, if you're serious about protecting your digital assets, you need to stop relying solely on exchanges. Instead, use a crypto wallet. There are two main types: hot wallets, online, and cold wallets, offline. While hot wallets are convenient, they're also more vulnerable to hacks. Cold wallets, on the other hand, like hardware wallets from Ledger or Trezor, store your crypto offline, making it much harder for hackers to access. Now, if you're not sure how to set up a hardware wallet, don't worry, I've got you covered. We've already published a video on the best crypto wallets of 2025, and you can check that out on my channel for a full guide on how to keep your funds safe. But it's not just about the wallet. Scams are everywhere in the crypto world, and a simple mistake can cost you your assets. That's why we also made a video on how to avoid crypto scams. We go over the red flags, like phishing emails and fake giveaways, so you can stay one step ahead of scammers. Be sure to check out that video as well, and stay safe out there. So, to recap, don't store your crypto on exchanges, use a secure wallet, and always be aware of potential scams. The crypto world is full of opportunities, but it's also filled with risks. Protect your investment, and always stay informed. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more crypto tips. Be sure to check out our best crypto wallets and how to avoid scams videos linked below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.